Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Saha Computer Education Center, and today we will learn how to create dynamic dates for attendance calendar. First, we will learn it with single month calendar, then 1 year calendar. First, we'll see the demo. After that, we will learn it. So let's see the demo. So here is a single month calendar and it is a full 1 year calendar. You can see that it's up to March, started from April. So first we'll see the month. Here is a drop-down list for the months of a year. This drop-down list started from April. If you want to start it from January, you can do it from the setting page. Here we started from April. If I change the date here 1/1/21, then you can see it started from January to February. This list is also automated. So here you can see now the list is started from January. So if we change this month, these dates automatically change. You can see here it is started from 1st January to 31st January. And when we change it to February, it changes automatically. You can see now it is up to 28th February. And according to that, the dates are also changed. You can see here it is started from Monday. And if you go to January, starts from Friday, and here is no drop down list for month because this according to the period. Here the period starts from 21 and ends in 31st 12 21, so the year also same. If I change here 1st April 21, then it's end on 22, that means 31st March 22. And when we go to March, you can see it automatically changes. So we do not need any drop down list. But if you need both month and year drop down list, that also can be done. I will show you all. And here the starting date automatically changes. You can see here if I change it to January, sorry, April, then is 1st April 21 to 30th April 2021. In this way, all these things changes automatically. Now we will see the year calendar. So here you can see that the year start date is 1st April 2021 and end date is 31st March 2022. According to this, these dates are populated from 1st April to 31st March 2022. So you can see here, this is the date 31st March 2022. So if we change the year, then this date will also change. This first date is 1st April 2021. You can see here. Now if we change this date from the setting page, 1st January 2021 to 31st December 2021. Here we can see 1st January 2021 to 31st December 2021. Now on the first date, here we can see 1st January 2021, and at the end here you can see the 31st December 2021, and the last column is blank because up to this there are 365 dates and this is for the leap year. If we change it for the leap year, suppose we select 24, then it starts from 1st January 24 to 31st March 24. Now in the year you can see the date starts from 1st January 24 and the end date, you can see the last column is also filled and it is 31st December 2024. So in this way, these dates are dynamically changed when the period are changed, and these days are also changed automatically when we change these dates. That means if these dates are changed, according to these dates, these days also changes. And this is the drop down list. January, February, March, you can see here it is changing according to this setting page. If we start the period from January month, then the list starts from January, and if we start it from April, you can see the list starts from April, and according to that, here the list also starts from April. So according to this list, this month get populated. And this drop down list given not for changing the dates. This list is for calculating purpose. When we will learn the calculation, then we will show you the use of this drop down list. And this is the start date and end date of this selected month. And here you can see when we change the year, the months also change. Now it is from April, May, then it will come June, July. In this way, when we change it from April to January, you can see here the header also changed from April to January. In this way, we can create this year calendar. And one thing I can tell you, that is when we select any month, suppose January, you can see except January, all the dates are get hidden. And when we select February is selected, and from here you can see there's a hidden column. It's for January, and here the dates for rest of the month are hidden. Only selected month dates are shown, but you have all the 365 days here. So now we will see how to create this month calendar and the year calendar. So let's begin the tutorial. So this is a blank sheet for a single month calendar, and you can see you can easily create this format. So here you can see that I have merged the sale and type attendance sheet for the month, and here I have merged some cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cells for the month name and 4 cells for the year, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells for typing month start date, and here is 3 cells merged for the date, and same way for the end month here and the date for end month. And this is, I have given the formatting for these cells, and here you can see the alternate rows and colors. Previously I have uploaded some videos for alternate row color, how to create alternate row color. You can visit our channel and find out the video, and there is also a playlist for that, alternate rows and columns. Here now I will start creating the formulas and drop down list. So first we will create a drop down list for month and year. For that we will go to setting page, and here we will create a simple month list. So here month list, and type here January, and select and drag the fill handle till December. Yes, we got all the month, and here we will type year, and from 2020 we will go up to 2020. Sorry, press the control key and drag the fill handle. You will get all the year from 222 to 30. So now I will give a little formatting from here. And this formatting change from year to custom. So here I will give general. So it's all done for the list. And I will give a name range for month list and year. For that, first select the month list and go to formula, and in the define names group select the create from selection, and here make sure the top row is checked and click OK, and then select the year list and same create from selection, top row is checked, OK. And now go to name range. We can see two lists has been created, that is month list and year list. This is the name range for these cells or range. Now we will create drop down list for the month. So here go to data validation, and here select list and the source, press F3 and select the month list. OK. You can see the drop down list. We will select January here, and in the year list again go to data validation, list and the source, press F3 to get the list of name range, select year. OK, we got the list. Now select 2021. So our drop down list for month and year is completed. So now we will create the month start date and month end date. For that, Here I will put some formula equal to date value and 1, press and, then select the month, again and select the year, bracket close, enter. We got the date value for date. Now go to home and here select the short date. You can see here 1/1/2021. If you want full year, then right click, format cell, and the custom, instead of 2y type 4y. Okay, the same way come here, equal to. So here we want the end date. For that we have to use PO month, and start date is this one, comma 0, bracket close, enter. So we got the date value of the last date of this month, and from here go to short date. You can see here 31st January 2021. And if you want to change the format, go to number format, custom, here type mode to Y. Now you can see here it is January. If we change to February, the date is changing. If we change it to 2024, you can see the year is changing. So let's change it to January again and 21. Now we will populate the dates in these rows. So first date will be equal to this one. So we got the hash value because it is not fitted. You can see here the preview is given 1/1/21, and we will format it for only day, that is 01. For that, right click on the cell and format cell, or in the number, click here. You can see it for the custom, delete this MMYY. You will give only DD. Okay, you can see here 01, and here we'll put a formula for the all rest of the days. So equal to, if this date is less than this date, and this date should be fixed, S2 should be fixed. So press F4 to make it fixed. You can see here it is fixed now, comma, this cell plus 1. That means if it is less than the last date of the month, then here we will get this cell plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2. Otherwise we'll get blank, bracket close, enter. So the formula is, if C5, that is this cell, is less than this cell, then we will get this cell plus 1, otherwise we will get blank. So we will format this cell as it is. So we can go to number format, or just simply select this, click on format painter and click here. We got to, and now drag till the end. So we got up to 31 here. This is the extra cell. So 1 2 3 4 5, you can see all the dates are populated. You can delete this. Yes, so now it's up to 31. If you select February, you can see it's up to 21, and if you select the 24, a leap year, then it's 29. So we got the dynamic dates. Now here we will populate the days, weekday names. So equal to text, bracket open, this cell, comma, the formatting will be within double and comma, DDD, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, enter. So we got Thursday. Now drag it to the end. So we got all the days. Now if we change it to January, you can see it is starts from Thursday. If we select January, it starts from Monday. That means these dates also became dynamic. So now we will change this. Go to here and make it vertical, or you can do it also from here, this way, the rotate text up, this one. So our dynamic dates for the month is completed. Now if we want to start it from 5th of any month or 15th of any month, how we can do it? For that we need a helper cell. So here instead of 1, we will take a cell range. Suppose this cell. Press enter and here we will type 5. You can see it starts from 5, but problem is that the date starts from 5 but ends on 31st and these cells are blank. So we need a full month. For that, here in this formula we have to add more 5. We have to add this cell and press enter. We got until 4. So in this way, we can create dynamic dates for the month. You can see here, if we change here 15, it starts for 15 and end in 15, but the end should be 14. So here we'll give -1. So date starts from 15th and ends on 14th. Now, if you give 10, starts from 10 and ends on 9, you can see here. So, there is another way to create where we do not need this year. So, let's delete all this and we will create it one by one. Now, go to setting. Here, we will create a dynamic month list. So for that, first we want a start period date. For that, we'll type here 1st January 2021 and the end will be equal to year month this cell comma 11. Enter. You can see here 31st December 2021. If I type here 1st April 2022, it is 31st March 2023. If I give here January, then you can see here 1st January 2022 to 31st December 2022. Now, according to this period, I will create the month list. So for that, first we will create a name range for these two cells. This name range will be, select here, type S underscore period start date, and this cell will be period end date, and now here equal to S period start date, enter. So we got January because it is pre-formatted, so here we will take general. So we got the value. Now to format it, right click, format cell, here go to number, the custom MMMM 4 times. Okay, so we got January. So in this cell, we will create the next month. As here is January, here will be February. If in this cell we have April, that this should be May. So for that, we have to create a formula so that it changes dynamically. So equal to date, first is year, bracket open, this cell, bracket close, comma, month, this cell, +1, comma, then day, this cell, bracket close for day, bracket close for date, enter. We got, you can see here, the first date of the next month. So now drag this formula till the end. So here we got all the dates for the next months, that is this February, March, April, May, June until December. If we change here April, you can see here it is year 22 up to December, then 1st January 23. So now format this as month name. So format this one like this way. So now we will create a name range for this. So first we'll go to formula, name range, we will delete this month list, delete, and we don't need the year, delete, close. Now select this one and create from selection, top row, okay. So we have month list. close. Now go to month. Here first we will create the drop down list for the month. So data validation, from here list, and in the source press F3 and select the month list and okay, we got here the list. So we select April. So this is formatted as general. So we got the date value. If we want to take a month name, then go to number format, custom, in place of general, type 4 time M, then okay. So we got the month name, and here we will get the year. So equal to this cell, enter. So same formatting came here. So here we will take, from number formatting, custom, here 4 times Y. So we got the year. So our drop down list for month and year cell is complete. Now we will get the month start date. So here the month start date is very easy, equal to this cell, because this is a date. Enter. We got 1st April 2022. If I select May, you can see May. Now the end date is also very easy, equal to your month. Start date is this one, comma 0 bracket close, enter. And now the same way as we said before, here equal to this cell, we got the date, first date, then equal to, if this cell less than this cell, log this cell with F4, comma this cell plus 1, otherwise blank. We got to. Now select up to here. Now select February. You can see it's up to 28. If I change here the period date, suppose I have to give 23, and here if I select the month February, it's 24 and it's up to 29. So the same way, type text bracket open this cell, comma within double inverted comma DDD double inverted comma close bracket close, enter. We got the days. So in this way we have to create dynamic dates for the month, and now we will do it for the year. So in this year calendar, first we have to create the start date and end date of the year. So we have already created the start date range, that is PST, that is period start date, and is period end date. We will use this range name, equal to s underscore period start date. Press enter. We got the start date. Now format it as date, and if you want 4-digit year, then go here, custom YY, okay, and end date will be equal to period end date, enter, and same formatting, so use format painter. So we got the end date of the period. So as it is saying here, 1st April 23 to 31st March 24, same is here. Now here we will create the drop down list for month. So we have already created the name range for this month. Now here go to data validation, then data validation. Here list, in the source press F3, month list, okay, we got it. Now select April. Now here we want the date for April. So now here I will put the start date. So for that, equal to date value, and first will be the start date. So I will give this cell's reference, because I will take the start date from this cell reference, then and this cell is April, but actually this is a date and we formatted it as month name. So we have to convert this date to month name. For that we have to use text bracket open this cell, comma within double inverted comma MMM double inverted close bracket close, and now year. This is a date, so this date have a year, so we will take year from this date. So year, this cell, bracket close for year, bracket close for date value, enter. We got our date value. Now we will convert it to date. So go to number format, custom, and here DDMMY 4 times. So we got the start date, and the end date will be very simple, equal to EO month, start date is this one, comma, month will be 0, bracket close, enter, and now same formatting. So number, custom, DDMMY 4 times. Okay, so this is the end of the month. Now in this row we will create a dynamic date range for the year. So here equal to this cell. So we got a date here, 1st April 2023. Now we have to format it to as only date. So here instead of this we will put only DD. Okay, we got the date. Now for the rest, equal to, if this cell is less than this cell and this cell should be locked, press F4, then this cell plus 1, otherwise blank, bracket close, enter. We got another date and we need the same formatting, so click here, format painter, and press here. So we got 2. Now drag this until end. So we got up to 31. And if we change the date here, suppose for the setting here 21, now go to here, you can see at the end we got a blank cell. It is because 2021 is not a leap year, and if we put 2023, so it will go after 24, and 24 is a leap year, so it will fill this cell. So we have one extra cell for the leap year. So we have created the date. Now if we want to see that if the date are changed or not, so first we have to create the end of date in another way, because this is a start date, it depends on this cell. So if I start the date from 15th, you can see the end date is still after 30th April, but it should be 14th of May. So for that, here I have to add plus this cell minus 1. So now you can see 14th May 2023. In the same way, if we want to start the date from the another date, so here I have to change the formula the same way. Now we will create the days of the dates. So equal to text bracket open this cell, comma, within double inverted comma, triple D double inverted comma close, bracket close, enter. So we got Thursday. Now drag it to the end. So all the days are populated. So up to this we have completed the year, month, and all the dates for the year and the days for the year. So now we will create the header for the month. So for this we will take 28 columns and merge it. Then we will put a formula here equal to attendance for the month of space double inverted comma close, then and then for getting the month here we will use the text formula and EO month formula. So here we need a month name. So for that we will use this cell. So text, then comma, within double quotation MMMM 4 times M double inverted comma close, bracket close, then we need a space for that, and space, then again and now we need year, so use year formula and take this cell, bracket close for year, bracket close for, so text. Now so here text is complete, and now log this cell, F4, F4. Now press enter. We got January because the first month is January. Now we need for the second month, so copy this and again go to third of the date here and paste it here. And now here we need something different because we have to get the next month, but our before cell is fixed. So here with the help of EO month, we'll go to the next month. So here we'll use EO month. Then here we will use 0 bracket close plus 1. And now it will give a result, a date for the next month. And this month will be formatted as text for month name. So press enter, we got February. So in this way, we have to create it for all the months. Copy, now paste it here. Now here instead of 0, you have to give 1 and again copy this. Here for third, paste date, and now change it from 1 to 2. In this way, you have to change all these formulas for every month. So go to third month, then here 3. Now copy this again for this month. So this one paste, and here you have to get 4. Copy this again for 3, 5, 6. So you have created up to the end. Now it is December. So whenever we change the start date of the year from the settings, suppose we start it from April, then here you can see the attendance month is April, May, and so on. So our header also become dynamic. In this way, you can create a dynamic dates for one full year calendar. And when we will use this attendance sheet, we have to hide rest of the months. Suppose we are using April, so we want up to this column, it is 30, then all the rest will be hidden. And if we are doing the attendance for the May, then we will hide April and May will be shown and the rest of the month will be hidden. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to hide these columns for both month and year. In the month, you can see here, these two columns are unused. So when these are unused, they should be hidden. And in year, when any month is unused for this month, then that month will be hidden. So how to do that? We'll see that on next videos. So if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel and support us. Thanks for watching the video until the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.